Welcome to the specialized world of radiator servicing. Today, we're taking a detailed look at this crucial and often overlooked component of your car's cooling system, the radiator. This vital piece ensures your engine stays at the optimum operating temperature, preventing overheating and potential damage. Radiator servicing is a specialized, high-demand auto service, and understanding the process is key for vehicle maintenance. Let's delve into what's involved. Our service workshop is fully equipped with state-of-the-art tools and staffed by experienced technicians, dedicated to ensuring your radiator functions flawlessly. First and foremost, to begin the servicing process, we need to access the radiator. This step requires a careful and systematic approach, involving the gentle removal of any surrounding components. This can include the front grille, various plastic covers, and sometimes even the front bumper, depending on the vehicle's design. Safety is always paramount, so we start by disconnecting the car's battery to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, the essential step of draining the coolant takes place. We utilize specialized equipment to ensure the coolant is drained completely and captured responsibly. We are committed to environmentally friendly practices, so all used coolant is properly collected and disposed of according to regulations. After the coolant is completely drained, we carefully detach the radiator hoses, the upper and lower hoses, and any mounting brackets that secure the radiator in place. These hoses are often clamped, and we use specialized pliers to release them. With the radiator safely removed from the vehicle, we proceed to the cleaning stage, the heart of the service. Here's where the real expertise comes into play. We use specialized tools, sometimes including pneumatic tools, to open the radiator, carefully separating the radiator core from the tanks. This process requires precision to avoid damaging delicate components. High-pressure cleaning is absolutely key to removing buildup. We employ a high-pressure washer to thoroughly flush out any debris, rust, scale, and other contaminants that can accumulate inside the radiator core and tanks. This ensures optimal coolant flow and the efficient transfer of heat. Furthermore, during the cleaning stage, we meticulously inspect the radiator for any signs of damage or potential problems. We meticulously examine the radiator core for leaks, cracks, and corrosion, all of which can compromise its performance. Any damage, no matter how small, is carefully assessed. If we discover any damage, we discuss the best course of action with the vehicle owner, which could involve repair or, in some cases, replacement, depending on the severity of the problem. After cleaning and inspection, the next critical step is resealing the radiator. This involves applying high-quality sealant and reassembling the core and tanks, ensuring a tight, leak-proof seal. The sealant used is carefully chosen for its durability and resistance to high temperatures and pressures. We double-check all seals to confirm they are completely secure and watertight. This is crucial for preventing coolant leaks and maintaining the integrity of the cooling system. With the radiator expertly cleaned, inspected, and resealed, it's time for reinstallation. We carefully put the radiator back into the car, precisely attaching the hoses, brackets, and any other components that were removed. We then refill the system with fresh, high-quality coolant, appropriate for the vehicle's make and model. Once everything is reconnected and the coolant level is correct, we carefully check for any leaks. We then start the engine and let it run, closely monitoring the temperature gauge. We want to be absolutely certain that the engine is operating at the correct temperature, and that there are no signs of overheating. This final check is essential to guarantee the radiator is functioning properly. Radiator servicing is a vital part of proactive car maintenance. It helps prevent potentially costly engine damage and ensures your vehicle operates reliably and efficiently, allowing you to stay safe on the road. Remember, regular radiator servicing is an investment in your car's longevity and performance. Thank you for visiting the workshop, and drive safely.